So these are called extensor raises, and these are gonna get the muscles that attach to the top of my hand and the top of my wrist stronger. The muscles that pull my wrist into extension, the muscles that pull my digits into extension. So what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you from this angle. You're gonna pinch all of your fingers together like this, not like that, like that. We're gonna put them on the floor. Your thumbs can just float, and you will drop to the back of your hand slowly, and then keeping all of your fingers together, you will press the fingers in the top of the hands through so you come back to the knuckles. And we're gonna go slowly for 5 reps. And the easier this gets, the more you can move your knees back all the way to getting to a push-up position. And it increases the demand on your hands and your wrists, forearms, everything. So that is the extensor raise. Give it a shot and try the next one.